This is John Green here with Advantage Development Company in Asheville, North Carolina. Wanted to talk a little bit today about our company and explain why we are the better custom home builder in the Asheville area. I'll just kind of go down the list. First of all, I want to talk about our backgrounds. We have several degreed engineers that work on our team. I am a degreed electrical engineer from the University of South Carolina. My brother Richard is a degreed civil engineer also from the University of South Carolina. We both have worked in industry for approximately 20 years, doing a lot of industrial construction, expansions, etc. before getting into the high-end home building and contracting business. Advantage Development was formed by my brother at Asheville in 1990, and so approximately has been around for 2 decades. In that time, Advantage Development has won the Parade of Homes Award 5 different occasions for Best Home Builder in the area. I just want to talk about some of the bullet points as far as why we are better. I guess A on the list would be when working with a potential home buyer that's building a house, we start with a good house plan. We make sure that the home buyer has a good plan because that's where it all starts. To build a nice house, to build a good house, you've got to start with a good plan that all works out. So we assure that our customer has a good plan. At that point, we get our surveyors involved. We survey the lot. We lay the house out on the lot to make sure everything is in accordance there. And then we start looking at the foundation. As anyone will tell you, a good home starts with a strong foundation. Our foundations are some of the strongest in the business. We put more concrete and more steel in our foundations because you never want to have a soft spot after you get that home constructed and somebody's living in it. So rather than putting two number 4 rebar in our foundations, in the footings we put 3 runs of number 5 rebar and a lot more concrete than the competition. Then we go on, and some of the other things that we do to build a stronger, better house is after the foundation goes in, starts with our framing process. We are out at the job site every day pulling the tape on our framers to make sure that everything is dimensionally correct with the house we are building. The supervision in home construction is a very important issue, and we are just on top of that on a daily basis. We've got some of the best framers in the business, but we do check daily to make sure that we assure quality control on all of our projects. At the end of every framing job, we replace all the bowed studs so that every wall is perfectly straight and plumb in the house. Then we move on to the other mechanical tasks, the electrical, plumbing, wiring. We have some of the best subs in the business. Being in the construction field for some 20-odd years in corporate America, we had learned how to find the best subcontractors at the best prices, and we tend to believe that we do have the best subs at the best prices in this area. They just do phenomenal work for us. The building inspectors love us when they come out to inspect one of our homes because there are never any issues. We get many compliments from the local inspectors on the quality of our work. So therefore, to kind of summarize a little bit of what we're talking about, and we'll have more videos to talk further in detail about, how and why someone should choose Advantage Development to be their preferred builder in this area. But basically, some of the other reasons that we are a preferred builder are, as we discussed, better prices on our subcontractors, the fact that we meet tight construction schedules, minimizing your bank loan interest, which is very important, and the fact that we charge less on our package prices to build that new home. We don't believe in the cost plus 20 packages that most builders do. We sit down with you, understand exactly what's involved in your house construction, and come up with a firm package price, and do not charge you any more based upon increase in building materials, what you put into the house, etc., etc. So we save home buyers typically around 10% on what we do for them, just because we're very good at doing it better. So that kind of concludes what we're talking about today. We will have more videos in the future, so keep looking out for us and hope to talk to you soon.